Hey there everyone, today we're going to learn how to video swap for free. So basically it's kind of like deepfake wherein you switch one's face with someone else. So something like that, you can do that for video and for image. This time we're going to try to do it for video. So here I want you to go to swapface.org, and then once you're here, you're just going to click download for Windows. After downloading, we're just going to install this one. Now that it's done, we're going to click finish. Okay, we're just going to wait. Okay, so now that we are here, we're just going to click sign up. If you have an account, you can just sign in directly. So I'm just going to enter all the details needed, and after entering the details, I should be able to sign in. Okay, and then there is a verification code. We're going to verify this as well. Okay, now that we're done creating, we're going to log in with that same account. And now that we're here, we can actually choose from three. We have stream face swap, video swap, and image face swap. So we're going to try video for now. So here we have options here. These are the videos and these are the models that we can use. So you can basically do this also with the video that you have. Any video that you have originally, you can just click this one, select, and then locate where the video is. And then after that one, you can also upload a model by clicking this one. The same thing, you just have to find the picture. Okay, now for this particular tutorial, I'm just going to use the models that we already have here. So say for example this one, and there you go. So it's done processing. From here on, we can choose the faces that we want to swap. Say for example this lady right here. So I'm going to click choose, and then we're going to go to choose a model. So I'm going to say for example, okay, this one I want to make her as an Asian. So I want to replace this girl's face into this one. And down here, you can actually see if you are going to have fast mode, pro mode, expert, or hybrid mode. So these are what you can choose. And then you can also choose MP4 or HD MP4. For the best practices, you can choose HD MP4. However, if you don't have like a good graphics card or high amount of RAM, so I recommend you just choose MP4. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to click start. Okay, this one, it says here, no credit. We're going to continue because this is just a free trial for now. Alright, video processing complete. We're going to open the folder. Alright, here's our folder. We're going to try opening this one. So we're going to click play. There you go. Alright, there you go. And that's how you're going to swap someone's face in a video for free.